Wait, what?
It could be someone here.
That's very strange. What's that? What's that? It looks like, well, a night.
A night? In the morning? Yeah, I just saw medieval actually. Come to the office. We need to have a talk. So, what brings you here?
Oh no, I was fighting with all the noise and then Mum came and now I'm here.
This sword is strange. It looks like it's from the medieval times.
Medieval? Mummy? That sounds strange, but also familiar. Aha.
Oh yes, I remember these files we worked on. The medieval mummy popped up in the Battle of the Knights, and when the knight captured it, toilet paper went everywhere. One knight got particularly covered in it and sneezed and disappeared.
I do remember, in the old news, there was a modern shoe print found in the Stone Age time, which is very odd and strange.
Did you say that they sneezed before they time traveled?
Yes, why? Did you sneeze on these items?
Yeah?
I recognise that shoe from the shoe print from the old news in the Stone Age time.
Just open the box! Why?
Yes, we've done it. We solved the case.
What case?
I thought sneeze coming on.
Where did they go?
This formula should send you to the past. Got it wrong again.
We need to go back a couple of weeks to win those lottery tickets, so now how are we going to do that?
We need a miracle at this point to get a formula that actually works.
Oh no, not again!
Where are we? Or when are we?
I thought we solved this case.
Interesting, they're from the past.
There must be those sneezing time travelers that we read about.
They can help us travel back to the lottery.
We must have time traveled more. A minute ago, we were in the Victorian times, then 2021. What year are we in now?
Well, yeah, we're in the year 2000.
We can make them sneeze in this,
Here, I have this leaf. We could use it to make them sneeze.
and then we can time travel.
Here, smell this.
Shoot!
Got the lottery tickets, right?
Yeah,
We should be teleporting to the last week.
let's do this.
Shoot!
Where are we?
What? We're in the Stone Age.
What? How are we going to get the lottery tickets now? We're going to have to wait like a million years.
Wait, what's that sound?